Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia and I'm a local guide in Rome, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots in the city. Here we are at the Spanish Steps, another of the most famous spots in Rome. In reality, the real name of this place is a Staircase of Trinità dei Monti, which is the name of the church up there. But in English, you gotta roll your R to match, so they became, for everybody, the Spanish Steps. A fancy staircase of the Baroque time. 1726, Francesco de Santis is the architect. Hi guys, here we are in Campo dei Fiori. All my food tours that starts in the morning are starting from here, because this is the only open-air market that you can find in the city. You can see the typical veggies and the typical fruit, but you can also try on the stands over there also some truffle oils or the limoncello or whatever are the typical produce that we have here in Rome. When you come to Rome, it's not just about history, but it's also about food. This is one of the best coffee places in town. But coffee is not just espresso here, it's also this, La Granita di Caffè con Panna, which is ice-shaved coffee and whipped cream. It is absolutely delicious. Hi guys, here we are at the Colosseum, right behind me, one of the most famous monuments in Rome and one of my favorites. Well, do you know that the real name was not Colosseum, but the Flavian Amphitheater, built almost 2000 years ago by the Flavian dynasty. Well, let me tell you, this place is the very first stadium in the world. We haven't invented anything literary, but to know what they were doing inside, you have to come on a tour with me and find out. Hi there, here we are into the Jewish ghetto in Via della Reginella. The ghetto was established in 1555 by the Pope Paul IV Carafa and continued until the unification of Italy, 1861. This is the only street with the original buildings, because then a 4 blocks area have been completely turned down to be replaced by modern buildings. But to learn more about the Jews of Rome, you have to come on a tour with me. Here we are at the Roman Forum, which used to be ancient Rome downtown, the political, the administrative, and the economical heart of the city. This building behind me is the Senate House, La Curia Julia, built like this by Julius Caesar. And let me point you out that hill over there. We all know that Rome is the city of the 7 hills, where that is Palatine Hill, and that's where everything began. Rome was founded by Romulus and Remus fighting over the city 2,777 years ago. Hi guys, here we are at the Temple of Hadrian. Well, this is the perfect example to understand why Rome is called the Eternal City. Because the columns that you see and the back wall, that's the temple of the 2nd century AD, Hadrian's time. But guess today is the Chamber of Commerce of Rome. That's why Rome is the Eternal City. Not only because you can see things from the 1st century BC up to nowadays, but because those monuments and those remainings are still alive. People are working here every single day, and that's how Rome keeps living throughout the centuries. Come with me to see one very cool spot of the city. Here we are in Largo Argentina, and here we found 4 different temples of the Republican time, which means like Julius Caesar's time. Now, first of all, you can see that I am higher while the Roman level is down there. This is what we mean when we say that Rome has been built in layers. The ancient city is around 15-20 feet below us. And actually, when you look over there, there is a wall, and that is believed to be the place where Julius Caesar was killed. But to learn more, you have to come on a tour with me. Here we are at the Trevi Fountain, probably the most famous fountain, not just in Rome, but all over Italy. Do you know that it took Nicola Salvi 30 years to build the fountain? But what is most impressive of all is that this is the end of the only Roman aqueduct that kept working. 1st century BC. It ends over here and is still working today. So here you have it, some of the best spots of Rome. My name is Sylvia, and thanks for watching.